This one goes out to all you 6-speed manual Honda owners. When you walk to your car, you open the door, start the car, and you go to grab the shift handle and you burn your hand. Well, ladies and gentlemen and ladies, PRL has come out with a Durlin white or black adjustable shift knob. And because I'm gonna throw it in black diamond, I chose the black, but they also have white and aluminum. Now the aluminum will still burn your hand, but the white and the black one will not. So what we're gonna do in today's video, we're gonna install this adjustable shift knob and see how it is. Let's pull her into the shop and get started. All right, so what we need to do first is we need to remove this shift knob, and we need to get this off of the boot. You need to grab a 14mm or 11/16 wrench and take it off. Now the weight difference is pretty dramatic. This is extremely light. This is not heavy, but it's heavy. I'd have to say this is probably 2 pounds maybe. This is a ½ pound maybe. So now what I could do is I could just do that, but it's not gonna fit. I need to do, take this up, and then we need to put this on. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop that on there. We're gonna spin her down, and then we will grab our shift knob, and there we go. And just screw this up as far as you wanted to go, or down as far as you wanted to go, which that's what I did. I went down. So all in all, really easy install. I just got to figure out what to do with this. Is this just gonna sit there and lay, which I really don't like that. I would like this to come up over top, at least to this, you know what I mean? All right, so it didn't really fit correctly there, so I ended up taking the ring out. I'm hoping this is right because this was a pain to get out. Okay, to take this little red ring out, just take a little screwdriver, preferably not metal. That's all I had was metal. That way you don't puncture through the leather or the suede, whatever you have. So if you have a plastic one, preferably try to use a plastic one, but you need to come through and you need to get down in there and pull back and pull out at the same time to get over these little hooks right here. There's 2 on each side. Once you get them out, you're golden. It'll just pull right out. And there you go. So I did need to remove this little red ring, and again, it was a pain, but she fits really nice now. Let's take her out on the road, see how she shifts. Feels good shifting. The only thing I wish we could have did was kept that red ring. As you can see, the sun has been beating on it for roughly 20 minutes or so since I've been home. Not hot at all. It's a little warm, but I don't care about warmth. I care about burning my hand. So all in all, I'm really pleased with it. Shifts really nice. PRL always makes great products. You can't go wrong with PRL. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Blue will be back very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. And as always, this was your boy Miller. I'll see you in the next one.